Hello and welcome to my first Second Life scripting tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you the basics of scripting. We won't be getting into anything major today. We won't be actually typing script. I'm just going to talk about the different things that you have to have in your scripts to make them work. As you see, I am in the Second Life second viewer, so you should know how to do these things in the first viewer, but I'm using the second viewer. First thing you want to do is go up to build and click build, or if you can click Control B. Go ahead and select any shape and just click somewhere to let it res. You want to go over to your content tab and click new script. It'll take a second to load. Go ahead and double click new script, and as you see, there is a default script every time you make a new script. As I said before, we're just going to talk about the different pieces of this script, and I'm just going to use this as an example so you can go and look at it. First thing is that all statements, such as this one, has to be ended with a semicolon, as you see there and there. The Second Life scripting language is block oriented, which means that each thing that you have must be inside these little curly braces. It's like you have the default block, then inside the curly braces is what it needs to do. Some variables, which are like say and things, must be declared. You must always specify exactly which type of variable is going to be, such as a string or integer. This would be a string, and this would be an integer. I'll go in more depth of that later. At a bare minimum, a script must contain a default state, which is this, and it has the block inside it. It must define at least one event handler, a subroutine that an event handler is a subroutine that handles inputs received in a program, such as messages from other objects or avatars. This one is just whenever the script runs. State entry means whenever the script runs, it's going to say that line on channel 0, which is local chat. This one says touch start. That means whenever any user touches it, then it's going to say touched on local chat. Scripts may contain user-defined functions and global variables. And the thing that you're going to do that is if you go up here to the very top and put something like integer, I'm sorry, it needs to be lowercase, integer, make it any variable. We'll go ahead and put I equals 1, and then for all of those you have to end it with a semicolon. So if I come down here to this and put, well, let's do this since it'll be easier, go ahead and put I instead. Let's go ahead and make that 0 just so it'll be on local chat, and we save it. It should. Okay, let's click out of this and go and click the box. It still says touch just because it was on local chat, but as you can see when we go back to editing it, whoops, sorry about that, still getting a little used to this viewer. If we go back and double click on the script, down here you can see where it says I and not 0, and up here where it says 0. This is just going back and saying that integer I is actually equal to 0. Okay, I'll bring out some more tutorials that will be dealing with the different types of variables. I'll just go ahead and tell you that I'm going to show you integers, floats, vectors, rotations, keys, strings, and lists, and then I'll go from there. If you have any questions or anything that you would like to ask, a comment in the section below, or message me on Second Life. My name is Matador Gant, or message me on YouTube. Thanks for watching.